Yes, this is Michael Johnson, Michael Anthony Johnson with Nikon Radio and TV, and we have the inspirational, the gifted and anointed, humorous and powerful Angela Blair. How are you doing this evening?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing really good. So glad to have you on our program, on the Nikon program, and we're going to have you back again, right?
It's cool, yes.
We want you back for a full 30-minute program, but we're going to take just a moment just to ask you, what's impacting your life right now? What's important to you right now, and what are you doing right now as far as your ministry and what God's given you?
Well, I had the pleasure of doing Pastor Shirley Caesar's conference last week in North Carolina. That changed my life.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I opened for her when I was 14 years old, and to have it come full circle, seeing her again, and just being with her, it was just such a blessing.
Right.
Just doing whatever I can to make sure that people really know about Jesus, and that's not cliche.
That's right. That's right.
This is the real thing. So,
and she's talking real.
yeah, so it's no fluff or anything like that. That's what I'm concerned about right now.
Right. What do you think about, and I was talking about this with another program, what do you think about these artists or Christian and gospel artists that's taking Christian off their name, putting R&B on it, or neo soul, or just rap, not gospel rap? What do you think about that?
I think we've all done that because we want the message to know, people to say that we do like a whole lot of different styles of music.
Right.
But what I think is one of the things that I've learned is that only what I do for Christ will last.
That's right.
Period.
That's
Everything
right.
else is temporary. We can do all of that. I've been over there. I've seen what it's like. It's nothing big. I've been around everybody.
Right.
A little bit of everybody, but there's nothing like being in the presence and the worship experience with God. So it's like that's, to each his own. Right. But my preference is, this day, this is who I choose to serve.
That's right. All the accomplishments you've had, what keeps you grounded, what keeps you focused, and what keeps you, centered in God's will as far as doing the things that you do? Because you do a lot of great things, and you impact a lot of people's lives, like myself tonight. And I've given a chance to meet you face to face, and I've seen you in a lot of different avenues. What keeps you grounded and keeps you doing what you do?
Just knowing that, God gives and God takes it away, and having a reverential respect for Him, and truly fearing Him for who He is.
Right.
If we kind of really got more of that, know that He's the author and the finisher.
Yes.
He does it all.
Yes.
That, we could, all this other stuff that we think we've done, that's just not me.
I got another question for you. It's sort of funny. Will you create another Facebook so I can be your friend? I try to add, and I just like, no, I'm sorry, she's too popular for you to do. No.
I will. I'm trying. I'm trying to go in there. I'm like, I'm trying,
Now, you got to do some type of performance thing here with me, don't you? Remember only what you do for Christ will last. Remember only what you do for Christ will last. Remember only what you do. Angela Blair. We got some wonderful talent right here at this place. Thank you very much, Angela Blair.
2005's winner Angela Blair impressed even the most discriminating listeners with her infectious vocals, and like Natasha, has Craft Gospel Town Search devotees anxiously anticipating next year's winner.
Tell me who can have the wind to whistle through the trees, and when I'm in trouble, who's that same God that comes down and rescues me? God,
The Craft Gospel Talent Search family continues to grow and currently consists of an impressive roster of today's brightest stars, including gospel queens Mary Mary, Kim Burrell, and Tom Joyner Morning Show personality Myra J.
Welcome back to Bobby Jones Gospel. Well, I had an opportunity to meet this young lady some time ago, and she is just filled with the Holy Spirit. You know, she comes from Texas, and Texas is no longer the Lone Star State. They can count on Angela Blair as another star as well. She is multi-talented. She's won so many wonderful awards, and now there's a new meaning to God is able. Take a look at this for Angela Blair.
My testimony today is to tell you that I am just delighted to be here singing for the Lord on this stage. This is an opportunity that I just never thought years ago when I was asked not to sing again because of family issues and personal issues that I never thought I would see. But God intervened. He came into my life one day and said, Angela, you were born to do this. You were born to inspire. And let me tell you something. The day he intervened was the day my life changed. And today, I can stand here and say how able he is because God is able.
God is able. God is able. God is able. And he won't fail.
Turn your back on me, even when I strayed away. I gave you only half of me, but you still want me every day. When situations got out of hand, once again you made a way. Thought I knew what love was till you showed me how to live and the right way to love. See, I've been a lot of places, and I've seen a lot of things, but nothing compares to the feelings you bring. You could have let me go my own way and fall flat on my face, but you told me what to say because you showed me grace, and I trust you. Trust you. People may tell me they have my back. They say they love me, and that's a fact. But when storm clouds rise,